Hello friends, today we are going to write Standard 5th, Subject Science, Lesson number 1, Our Earth and Our Solar System, Workbook Question Answers. Now question answers. Question number 1, fill in the blanks by choosing an appropriate word given in the brackets. First one, stars have their own light. Answer is light. Second one, movement of the earth around the sun, it's called revolution. Third one, the moon is called the satellite of the earth. Fourth one, Pluto is a dwarf planet. Fifth one, due to the force of earth's gravity, all things on the earth remain on it. Now question number 2, underline correct word in the following statements. First one, on a clear night sky we can see many stars and lamps. Star is a correct. Second, planets do not have their own light. Do not is a correct. Third one, heavenly bodies generally have a square round shape. Answer is a round shape. Fourth one, between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there are numerous dwarf planets, asteroids. Answer is asteroids. Fifth one, the moon, sun is the closest to the earth as compared to other heavenly bodies. Answer is moon. Sixth one, scientists who travel in the spacecraft are called pilots and astronauts. Answer is a astronauts. Seventh one, very powerful rockets, crackers are used to send a spacecraft into space. Answer is rockets. Eighth one, all the bodies in the solar system get light from the sun, moon. Answer is the sun. Moving to the question number 3, who am I? First one, you can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. Lighted part changes every day. Answer is moon. Second, I have my own light. It is only from me that the planets get light and heat. Answer is sun. Third one, I turn around myself, around a planet and also around a star. Answer is satellite. Fourth one, I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. Answer is earth and planet. Fifth one, no other planet has a living world like me or mine. Answer is earth. Sixth one, I am the nearest star to the earth. Answer is the sun. Now question number 4, distinguish between stars and planets. It means difference between stars and planet. First, heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Planets. Heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Second, all the stars have their own light. Second, planets get light from the stars. Question number 5. What is the meaning of the following terms? First one, planets. Answer, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Second one, solar system. The sun and the planets revolving around the sun together form the solar system. Satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids are also part of our solar system. Third one, stars. Answer, heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Fourth one, asteroids, a band of numerous small heavenly bodies between Mars and Jupiter is called the belt of asteroids. Asteroids to revolve around the sun. Fifth one, dwarf planets. Answer, smaller heavenly bodies revolving independently around the Sun in their own orbit are called dwarf planets. Pluto is a well-known dwarf planet. Now question number 6. Answer the following question in one sentence each. First one. Which planet is between Earth and Mercury? The answer. Venus planet is between Earth and Mercury. Second. Why can't we see stars during the daytime? Answer. We can't see stars during the daytime due to bright sunlight. Third one. What is the space? Answer. The emptiness between and beyond the stars and planet is called space. Fourth one. How do the heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction on each other? Answer. Due to the force of gravity, all the heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction on each other. Fifth one. What is an orbit? The answer. The specific path in which every planet moves around the Sun in the solar system is called the orbit of that particular planet. Next, question number 7. Answer the following questions. First one. Which points are to be considered while observing the sky? The point is, first one, the brightness of the heavenly bodies. Second, whether they twinkle or not. Third one, their color and size. Fourth one, changes in their position. Now second, write down the names of all the planets in correct order as they are present in our solar system. The answer is first one Mercury, second Venus, third one Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus and Neptune. Third one, for what purpose are rockets used in space travel? Answer is, powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burned in rockets so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. Question number 8. Give scientific reasons. First question. The moon is the satellite of the earth. Answer. The moon revolves around the earth, hence it is called a satellite of the earth. Second one. The sun appears prominent and bright. Answer. The sun is closer to us than any other stars, hence it appears prominent and bright. Third one, all the things on the earth remain with the earth only. Answer, the things on the earth remains on it due to the force of gravity. Now open-ended question, use your brain power. See students, the answer to open-ended question may vary according to your thinking and perception. So here first question, what will happen to our solar system if the sun was to suddenly disappear? The answer is, with no sunlight, photosynthesis will stop, but that would only kill some of plants. Within a few days, however, the temperature would begin to drop and any humans left on the planet's surface will die soon after. Now second question, suppose you want to give your address to a friend you have on the planet Mars. How will you write your address if you want him to understand exactly where you live? So here you have to write your full address first. Example: Om Sai Dham, Bay Wing, room number 16, Hanuman Nagar, Kalyan East, after Thane, Maharashtra, country India, continent Asia, Earth, third planet, solar system, Milky Way. Like that you have to write. Now next, what is the solution? Question: one of the asteroids has fallen out of its place in the asteroid belt and it's hurtling towards the sun. Our Earth is in its way and there is all likelihood of collision. What can be done to prevent this collision? Answer: use the shock wave to deflect it away from the Earth, which means attach three large remote control rockets to the asteroids, turning it into a large space vehicle and move it away from a dangerous collision. Okay friends, I hope you understand video very well. Thanks for watching.